Hello students, welcome back to our English class. This is Reena S. Kumar, your English teacher. I hope you all are safe at home and studying also. So today in our English class, we are going to study a new topic in the writing section. And our today's topic is diary entry or diary writing. So let's see what is diary entry. A diary is a personal record of your experiences and your feelings which you note down in your diary. You can include anything you wish as you are writing only for yourself. That diary only you will read. Its purpose is to record some events or incidents and to reflect on them. You should also take time to describe some things in some detail in your diary entry. Introduction. Every diary has to start with an introduction. It tells you what you are. Writing a diary is like having a conversation with a friend. Like you talk to your friend, you share your feelings and your thoughts with your friend. In the same manner, you share your thoughts and your feelings with your diary, feeling as if it is your friend. In the diary, the most important thing is date. It should always be written in a chronological order. Date is very important. You always need to have a date in your diary because when you are older and you see that diary entry, you will never know what day it was if you didn't write it in your diary. So remember to write date in your diary. Now, how will you write a good diary? You should include your personal thoughts and feelings about these things to make writing more appealing to the reader. Whenever you are reading, you will remember those moments, those days whenever you are writing your diary. Mostly in diary writing, simple past tense is used to record incidents and reactions that have already taken place. However, the present and future tense are also used depending on whether the writer wishes to make a resolution or some planning for future. In diary writing, use the first person narration, that is I, we, my, etc. Use the language that is friendly and informal in diary writing. So there are some points to be remembered while you're writing your diary entry. First thing is creativity. Second is imagination and your expression, which is tested in diary writing. You should write as if you have really been a part of the situation. Because it is a secret record of one's life, so one can very honest about one's feelings and emotions while writing diary entry. Now we'll see the format of diary entry. First comes day, date. Second is salutation. Salutation means greeting. There you can use dear diary. Third comes the contents, or you can say the body of the diary entry, and at the end of the diary entry you have to put your signature or you can write your first name. Here is the format of diary entry. In this manner you have to write your diary. Any situation will be given to you in the exam and you have to express your feelings or your thoughts about that situation and you have to write it in the proper format. It is a very simple format. In the beginning, on the top, on the left hand side, first of all you have to write the day, date, and in the next line you have to write the time. Then leave one line and then you can write the salutation, or you can use dear diary. Then you can start with the content or the body of the diary. In 2 to 3 paragraphs you can write your body of the diary writing, and then at the end with the conclusion, at the end you can sign or you can write your own name, the first name. So I'm giving you one example over here. You can see this format and you can follow it while you're writing your diary entry. First comes day and date, then the salutation, that is dear diary, then the body, and then at the end you can write your name or you can sign it. So children, one question I want to give you for practice, which you can do in your grammar copies. But before doing this question, I want that you should write the definition of diary entry in your grammar copies. On the first page, first you will write the topic, diary entry, then the definition, and you can write the format. You can draw the format of diary entry, which I've given you as an example, and then you can write this question, practice question, and then you can write your diary entry. So the question is, you have been appointed the head boy or head girl of your school. You are very happy and resolved to perform your duties with utmost diligence. Write a diary entry in about 120 to 150 words expressing your feelings. So this is your question, and you can write a diary entry according to this situation. The marking scheme for this question is of 8 marks. In the exams it can come of 8 marks, and the word limit is 120 to 150 words. Thank you.